Hey guys, all right, welcome back. This is number 13. I'm going to finish painting the door, and it's pretty hot out today, so I don't know. I think that's about all we're gonna do today. Okay, this door should be dry now. Let's get this final coat of paint on it. Get a nice wet, glossy coat. That looks like it for that door. Let's throw the screen door on. The screen door never really stayed closed for me, and kind of looking at it, I never really paid attention to it, but this is for a right-hand swing, but the door is really a left-hand swing. So in order to get this to latch correctly, it would have to be upside down like I have it right now, but you can't get to it. I mean, you can, unless I just get a right-hand swing lock, maybe for the door, we'll see. Let's just mount this door up there. Whoa. That just fits in there. The screws are lining up with the previous spots. Better last screwing down here. Alright. It says right on there, right hand, RH. We need a left hand. That shouldn't be sloped the other direction. Catch that and slide around, and then when it comes out here, it should be locked underneath there. Everything should be the other direction on it, so we need the other hand swing. $10 I think on Amazon. Let me order one of those and we'll get that in so we got the right one. So the left-hand latch is ordered. I'll just leave that one on there for now until we get the left-hand one. Should have stuck that window in first. Now I have the screen door there. Maybe I'll just pop that screen door off. So hot out, guys. It's like 92 degrees out. Not much wind at all. I took the screen door off. I'm gonna put that window in. I took the old tint from the other window and just stuck it on the inside. It's like clingy, so that'll give this rear window a little bit of tint. I guess let's stick that in and then we can put the screen door back on. Whew. Okay, pull door closed. Take styrofoam out. Where's my ring? My ring's still down there. And this goes any direction, it looks like. Must. This thing, center it in the opening, trim one of these up here. Seems like there's a little gap. Let's see. Doesn't seem like it's pulling closed all the way. I wonder if it's just tightening up on here. Let me take this out of here. I think maybe these stops are hitting each other. No, it's got a little ways to go. Let's see, I think I'm gonna drill these out just a little more so there's a little more slip in there. I'll be right back. Drilled those out. So now it should clamp on there kind of, or suck the two together. Windows in there. Perfect. Ooh. Oh, my window cracked. Son of a biscuit. Oh, I tell you. Oh well. There it is. Put back in and broken. Son of a. I am sweating so much. It is so freaking hot in here. I think I'm gonna call that for today. I am so sweating. I don't know if I can paint in here. Anyway, I guess I'll see you tomorrow, eh? Hey, all right, welcome back. My new latch showed up. Let's get this screen door back on and the latch put on. So we got this thing buttoned up. I guess welcome back again. Here we go. I suppose maybe we can put this latch on. Hopefully it'll just line right up. This way. We have the door, both door stops or catches we don't need, but we'll keep. Let's hang this door this way. Boy, that's gonna be odd to have my door lock. Look at that. Even holds right there. Jeez. I need my screws. They're inside. All my screws are right here. What are those two for? Big ones. A couple of big ones. Okay, let's put this door back up. Jeez, so nice. It's nice. Oh, wait. Those screws are way too long. We don't want to drill through the screen door. I think I caught that. Jeez. Huh. Oh. You're kidding. Oh, I can lift that thing way up too. Oh. Golden. And then this catch. I guess we can just bring the door out, right? See where the door wants it. The door wants it all the way up. We'll just leave it wherever it wants it. Let's see. Does it catch it? What's squeaking? How big a deal is that? For real, Jared. A squeak? Your camper was burnt to the ground. And now I'm worried about a squeak. Oh, it's the little things. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm brilliant. What can I say? That's awesome. I think that is gonna do it for this video, guys. Next time we'll be cleaning up on the inside. I want to wash all these cabinets down. I was looking at that. I picked up some, whoa, there's a skeeter or something flying around. I picked up some TSP, so I'm gonna wipe down all of the wood before we put the primer on. Just looking at it, it's filthy, and we can't just paint right over it. So anyway, till next time, stay curious, chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming.